Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the best 3D printer for silicone molds. These incredible printers can be used in any condition, allowing you to create detailed silicone molds that are perfect for any project. We all know that the quality of 3D printers can make all the difference in the result, so today we'll review some of the best 3D printers for armor. To help you out, we did the research and found out what you should look for when it comes to 3D printers for silicone molds. This printer is also beneficial for those who need to create silicone molds quickly and accurately. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Creality 3D Printer Ender 5 printer. If you want to venture into the captivating world of silicone molds, the number one choice for your creative endeavors is undoubtedly the Creality 3D Printer Ender 5 Plus FDM printer. Get ready to embark on a thrilling 3D printing journey like no other. Imagine a printer that takes the hassle out of bed leveling. With its intelligent auto bed leveling sensor, the Ender 5 Plus precisely measures the tilt of the hotbed surface, ensuring impeccable Z-axis leveling compensation. Say goodbye to time-consuming adjustments and wasted materials and hello to efficient and flawless prints. Stability is the name of the game when it comes to this printer. The hotbed is held steadfastly on the Z-axis frames, eliminating any worries about wobbling or dropping. With fewer points of failure, you can bid farewell to frustrating mishaps and embrace seamless printing experiences. The dual-axis motors of the Ender 5 Plus take smoothness and precision to new heights. The Y-axis dual-shaft motor and downshift Z-axis work perfectly harmoniously, producing impeccable print quality. Marvel at the intricate details and intricacies of your silicone molds brought to life with unrivaled accuracy. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box.